Welcome to Iligan City Waterfalls! Tara, samahan niyo akong tuklasin ang mga waterfalls ng Iligan City. Unang listahan natin ay Maria Cristina Falls, a waterfall where its source of water is from the Agus River on the island of Mindanao. It is sometimes called the Twin Falls, as the flow of water is separated in two by a rock at the brink of the waterfall. It is located 9.3 km away southwest of the city proper at the boundaries of barangays Maria Cristina, Titukalan, and Buruon. The Maria Cristina is well known for its natural beauty. The 320 feet, 98 meter high waterfall is also the primary source of electrical power of the city's industries. And the second is Tinago Falls. Tinago Falls is one of our favorite waterfalls in Iligan City. And this waterfall is sitting at the border of Iligan City and Linamon, Lanao del Norte, in which the river serves as boundary in the two areas. When visiting Tinago Falls, you can choose between the two main routes, Buruon and Linamon. And for those who prefer the hardest part, take an option for the third route, which is river trekking. Yes, you have to start from the bottom of the river going upstream to the waterfalls. Well, we do not experience it yet since we don't have that much money for this adventure. We love that part when we ride in a bangka, or what do you call that? Because when we reach the waterfall part, it makes us excited. And after approximately 3 to 5 minutes, you will now go back. You'll experience the waterfall adventure twice and it costs 10 pesos to ride the bangka. We're recommending this waterfall for you, but be ready for the 300 plus steps going down and up. Surely, your legs will be numb. Third is Limunsudan Falls. Limunsudan Falls, situated at City Limunsudan, Barangay Rugungan, Iligan City. Limunsudan is a two-tiered waterfall giving a huge amount of water, even bigger than that of Maria Cristina. When developed, it could power the whole Mindanao and could be the answer of Mindanao's scarcity with electricity. In fact, there are private government sectors who are eyeing to put up a hydroelectric power plant within the area. To reach the waterfalls, one has to trek for 2 days from Kalamalahan, Barangay Rugungan, Iligan City. Number 4 is Guimbalulan Falls. Guimbalulan Falls, approximately 29 km from the city proper at Barangay Rugungan. Number 5 is Kamadahan Falls. Kamadahan Falls, located 26.5 km from the city proper at Barangay Rugungan. And the 6th on our list is Lumbatin Falls. Lumbatin Falls, located in Barangay Tugaan, approximately 8 km from the city proper. The 7th is Nimbalud Falls. Nimbalud Falls, it is one of the most accessible from the main route. You can reach via jeepney from Iligan City to Barangay Rugungan. The area immediately under the waterfalls can be dangerous for swimming, especially because of the large rocks and the strong force of the cascades. But I'm sure there's always a space for swimming and photo shoot. Visitors can also enjoy ziplining and trekking as Nimbalud Falls is part of Paradise Resort and Eco Park. The Eco Park is located on top of Nimbalud Falls, so you have to trek up to be able to reach it. Number 8 is Talipuga Falls. Talipuga Waterfall is one of the most accessible waterfalls here in Iligan City. It's about 13 km away from city proper and about few minutes hike up to the water source. If you were to compare, Talipuga Falls is like a children's playground. It is not too big, just enough for most 5 people to move around. That is if you are petty. Despite of its small size, visitors can still jump from the rock, but one should still be cautious enough. Though this waterfall isn't as impressive, as big and as huge as Maria Cristina, Tinago, and Jujuman Falls, we believe the Lipoga Falls has its own unique character that made a good playground for the kids. Number 9 is Jujuman Falls. Jujuman Falls is a must-visit waterfall situated in the heart of Barangay Bunbunun. Jujuman Falls is just a few simple trek away in the jump of easy breezy for net and a great fun of trekking, but be sure to be on your trekking attire as it gets tough upon crossing the river. 65.60 feet high, cascading down to a concrete-like boulder. It's a tranquil, cold water and lush vegetation make it a real heaven for nature lovers. The pool at the foot of the falls is very ideal for swimming, 14.5 kilometers away from the city proper. Number 10 is Hindang Falls. Hindang Falls, a 40 feet high two-tiered waterfalls with a lagoon ideal for swimming. Located at Hinterland Barangay Hindang, approximately 20 kilometers from the city. Other attractions of the barangay are the 6 to 8 caves clusters. Most caves have narrow entrance with long and deep chambers. Number 11 is Pampang Falls. Pampang Falls, approximately 13 kilometers from the city proper. Pampang Falls is one of the accessible and 23 waterfalls of Iligan City. Located at Barangay del Lipoga, Pampang Falls sits in the middle of the streamline between the Lipoga and Caloocan Falls. You can actually visit both Pampang and Caloocan in one shot. Is Languyan Falls, located in Barangay Pugan, approximately 14 kilometers from city proper. Languyan is a local term which means stream in English. Number 13 is Ninanad Falls. Ninanad Falls, located in Barangay Bunawan, is located 11 kilometers from the city proper. Number 14 is Nahinaw Falls. Nahinaw Falls, located in Barangay Kabaksanan, is located 18 kilometers from the city proper. Number 15 is Caloocan Falls. Caloocan Falls is located in Barangay del Lipoga. Caloocan is among a series of waterfalls which shares the same streamline with Pampang and the Lipoga Falls. A few hundred meters from the Pampang Falls, directly above the streamline. Caloocan Falls is sitting inside a cave. You have to enter a small cave, swim into the water, climb up. Directly to the opposite opening of the cave, you will find this waterfall. Number 16 is Bridal Veil Falls. Bridal Veil Falls, located at Barangay Baroon, is frequently used name for waterfalls that observes fancy resemble as a bridal's veil, which it has also a lot of bridal veil falls in the world such as France, New Zealand, Norway, Philippines, South Africa, United States, and Zimbabwe. It is an amazing waterfalls in the Philippines, so visit now in Iligan City to enjoy your summer vacation. Not summer vacation, but also in Christmas vacation. Number 17 is Agaga Falls. Agaga Falls is located approximately 15 kilometers southwest of Iligan City, specifically in Barangay Abaga, Balui Municipality, Lanao del Norte. The height of Abaga Falls is approximately twice that of the famous Maria Cristina Falls, also located within the proximity of Iligan City in Balui Municipality, compared to Maria Cristina, which is connected to the Agus River. The source of water of Abaga Falls are the several underground springs which flow into the top of the Abaga Falls. Human access to Abaga Falls is severely limited due to current lack of regularly maintained roads, as well as the fact that a moderate amount of the walking is required to reach the base of the falls. Number 17 is Langil Nanun Falls. Langil Nanun waterfall is located in Barangay Pugar. The waterfall has a height of 40 feet cascading down to a concrete-like boulder. The waterfall is 6 kilometers from the city proper. Number 19 is Pakan Falls. The Pakan Falls is located in Barangay Maiwit. Is located 15 kilometers from the city proper. Number 20 is Nalgang Falls. Nalgang Falls, located in Barangay Rikilaan, is located 14 kilometers from the city proper. Our number 21 is Indarangahan Falls. Indarangahan Falls, located in Barangay Bungon, is located 27.5 kilometers from the city proper. And number 22, Gata Falls. Gata Falls, located in Barangay Bungon, is located 28.5 kilometers from the city proper. And the last but not the least is Kibalang Falls. Kibalang Falls, located in Barangay Bungon, is located in 31.5 kilometers from the city proper. If we will rank these waterfalls based on popularity, the Maria Cristina Falls will be the first one in the list. Since this is the Iligan's greatest heritage and the landmark of Iligan City, another famous waterfall is the Limunsudan Falls, which is said to be the highest waterfall in the Philippines.